Hi, this is Melissa with a quick product update from SlideHub. You can now have the SlideHub add-in open automatically when opening a document that was previously opened while using SlideHub. So as you can see, the add-in will open automatically. This helps you keep track of any changes on the company slides that you may be using, such as in this case, and it will help you keep all your brands updated. This can be turned on or off at a company level and also at a user level by going into Manage Your Content or Assets. By going into asset settings, another is where you can choose to have this enabled or disabled. When this setting is enabled, it allows SlideHub to encode your presentations automatically, so it will open the add-in automatically going forward. Contribute button also received a bit of an update, so now you can choose to contribute selected or to contribute all slides to the company. You can also now add to your personal vault or directly to the company library if this is enabled. The SlideHub PowerPoint add-in is now also available directly on Microsoft Teams. This will make it a lot easier and smoother for you and your teammates to contribute slides and to modify, to update any slides that are already in the company library when sending files to each other through Teams. When inserting your company slides, you can select to determine which default template this slide will open in. So for example, this slide opened with the original template it was uploaded into the company library with. This can be selected by going into Manage Assets, Asset Settings, and Slides. So you can determine if the default insert experience for company slides should be to keep the template that it was originally uploaded in, if it should be adjusted to the template on the active slide that you have, or if it should open in a new presentation as default. You can also choose to force this default style or not. So this will just help you keep brand compliance and make it easier for everyone by choosing which should be the default style when inserting any new slides. In the Account Settings tab and the Security menu, you now have the option to integrate your Active Directory to synchronize relevant user information. So this allows managers to have parts or the full directory to be synced with SlideHub. This will make it a lot easier for you and your team to keep everyone's information updated, as this will allow the automatic creation of new users, also automatic deletion of users leaving the Active Directory. It will also assign roles to users based on their groups in the Active Directory, as well as add users to SlideHub teams based on what their roles are in the Active Directory. So this will just make it adding any new or removing users a lot easier process for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't hesitate to reach out to us. As we're nearing the end of 2022, it is now the time for you to tell us what to build and fix. So please reach out to us. Nothing is too big or too small to handle, and we're very happy to make any upgrades necessary to make this the best product out there for you.